What causes snoring? Snoring occurs when air is not able to move freely through your mouth or through your nose. A lot of times it's due to narrowing of your airway, which makes tissue vibrate and make an audible sound. There are many contributing factors to snoring, such as age, being overweight for men, underweight for women, smoking, medications, alcohol, sleep posture, nasal congestion, sinus inflammation, and more. Snoring has a number of consequences that can impact the life of a snorer on his or her life partner. Sleep deprivation as a result of snoring can have a negative impact on health and the quality of life. Snorers can experience irritability, morning headaches, chronic fatigue syndrome, relationship difficulties. Studies also shown a link between snoring and serious health conditions such as sleep disordered breathing, sleep apnea, and more. NIGHTLASE laser treatment uses laser energy to gently hit the tissues in the back of your throat and have a tightening effect on the collagen, that way opening the airway. It's quick, comfortable, non-invasive, no downtime, no pain, very gentle treatment that can greatly increase the quality of your sleep and quality of your life.